goodness, what a beauty! Welcome back! Today we're going to cook some delicious steamed egg meatloaf. Let's do it! First, you need 200 grams of ground pork, 6 large eggs, 40 grams of cellophane noodles, 5 grams of black dry fungus, 1 small piece of carrot and 1 shallot, half of an onion. You also need sugar, pepper, and chicken powder. Don't forget the fish sauce. Begin by soaking the vermicelli and dry fungus in warm water for about 10 minutes. Then, cut the onion into small pieces. Do the same thing for the shallot. Then, cut the carrot in small pieces. Then you chop the fungus. Then cut the noodle into pieces 2 cm long. Then add the 6 eggs to the bowl. Leave 4 egg yolks aside. Add 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix 4 egg yolks with half a teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of annatto oil. Mix it well and set it aside. It is used for later. Then mix well the meat. Add to the steamer 1.5 liter cold water. Then spray the tray with oil to prevent sticking. Place 1 piece of non-stick paper on the bottom of the tray. Pour in the meat mixture. Then steam for about 20 minutes. That's it. After 20 minutes, add the egg yolk mixture. Sweep evenly on the surface of the meatloaf. Cover and steam for another 10 minutes. For the sauce, add a half a tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of warm water, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and finally add some chili if you like it. After 10 minutes, the meatloaf is ready to serve. And here you go, look at these colors. So yummy. Bon appetit!